Okay, this is a phone. I'm coming to replace the battery. The first thing you have to do, you have to take out the SIM tray. Put it one side. Okay, if you have nails, you can use your nails and just put inside there and open it. If you have nails, you can use the pencil, just put it inside like this. Open it right now. Just open it right one. Just be careful. Don't scratch the phone that much. All is clip. Just open the clip. Okay. Remove the back cover. Put it one side. Okay. Remove the screw here. This one is a clip. Just try to remove this clip. Okay. Remove this clip. Just AC it up like this. Okay. Remove this clip. Disconnect the battery. Okay. And remove this plastic, the first one. Okay. Then you remove this green one and pull it. Just pull it like this. A bit hard, but just force to pull it. Remove it. Okay. Then just take the new one. Just put it very straight. Make sure you fix the terminal first. Make sure the battery terminal rests properly. Then put this one down. Close back this plastic. Okay. Then you fix back the cover. Just put it here. There is a hook here. Fix it inside. Then you squeeze it down. Okay. Then fix back the cover. Close it right on. Okay. Don't forget put back the SIM tray. Okay. You just on the phone and see if the phone is coming on. Okay, but you don't need to use the battery inside. You need to put it on charge at least for full charge before you use it. Okay, the phone is low, the battery is low. Put it on charge for full charge, 100% charge before you use it, so you don't spoil the new battery inside. Okay, now the phone is okay, everything is good. That means okay. Hello guys, if you like my video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel.